Stampin' Up! Demonstrator. Welcome to my channel, Southern Angel Stamping. Today I just want to bring you a very short, real quick video tip. Before I get started, let me share with you my website. It's www.southernangels.stampinup.net, and my host code for July is right here, 3RHK2Y3J. So if you want to go on there and you decide to purchase anything, you can use that host code. We have a lot of we have a double bonus going on for the month of July going until August, so you might want to go and check all that out. So we'll get on into this video. I just want to share with you, I just got a new Stampin' pad, and when they come in the little wrappers, which I've already taken off, and that's when I decided to stop, and I thought, well, let me share this for those that may not know, never gotten a stamp pad before from Stampin' Up. So you take that off, and when you do, you go on the back, and if you don't know how to open them, you can, let me do it this way. Pop it with your thumbs on the back like that, these new ones, and they open up like this. I'm a little weak, so that's why it takes me a minute, but they usually open up pretty easy if you have strong thumbs anyway. I have some carpal tunnel arthritis problems, so it takes me sometimes a few minutes to pop them, but that is the easiest way, unlike trying to do it this way. But whichever way is easiest, but this is usually the easiest way. I learned that from another stamper. So on the back there are some stickers, and you can see how I peel them off right here from this other one, and you want to put them on. So you might want to get something to help you. I like to use my little pick tool from Stampin' Up. Whoop! Well, that wasn't supposed to fall off. Must not have it screwed on very well. You can use, if you don't have one of these, you can use tweezers. Well, my other side this might help better. Let's see if this will. My lighting's not the best in here. I can't see what I'm doing. I don't want to scratch it. There we go. Whoop, almost had it. There we go. I just want to get up under there so I can pick it up. And you want to line it up the best you can. I don't know if I got it lined up or not. I can't see what I'm doing. I'm trying to let y'all see and me see at the same time, and my eyes are terrible unless it's right in front of my face. Okay, see, like that, and then just press it down. Make sure it's all straight, and then give it a good press down like that. Now, then you can get, like, see how I'm missing two? You can get like there's a plain one down there. You can use these others for other things too, but there's a plain one right here. You can see to get it up. You know what? I think sometimes it's easier, yeah, to just pull it up this way. There we go. That sometimes is a little easier. You get your plain one, open up your stamp pad, and there's a little thing right there. And then put that little color right down in there. Let me switch this back around. And we'll just use that end. Kind of push it down in there good. And there we go. So that way, when I have maybe several colors opened up, I'll know exactly what color that is. See? I'll see the color because of that. So that's just my little quick tip I wanted to share with you. So there we go. Now that stamp pad is all ready to go. And then you can, like I said, use those others for other things if you'd like. So I just wanted to share that with you. So if you like this video, please remember to give it a thumbs up. Also remember to subscribe if you're not a subscriber. Also remember to click the notification bell so you will get notifications of when I make my new videos. And if you are a new subscriber, thank you very much for subscribing. And remember to please share these videos. That helps my channel grow. And leave me comments down below if you are watching these videos so that I know. And let me know what kind of videos you like. So, with that being said, I'll say thank you for watching. And more videos coming up soon. So stay tuned. And I'll see you again. Thanks for watching.